Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, as you can tell by the title, that I am going to be reviewing the Sephora Favorites Pop box. This is an interesting box and kind of interesting. It really intrigued me. I was curious as to why it came out, but anyway, we'll get into that later. So if there's nothing else for me to say, then let's get started. Sephora came out with this, like I said, Sephora Favorites Pop. It's actually a really cute box. It's all paper, it's all cardboard and stuff, and the outside itself is very 8-bit. It's really kind of a retro kind of look. It's really cool. I like 8-bit, I like retro, definitely something that is just screams me when I saw it, and I was like, I have to have this, I need to look at it, I need to touch it, and I just felt like looking at it more and trying it out and just looking behind it, I wanted to know why they even came out with it. So yeah, I kind of dived right into it. So there's 5 products that came in this box, and there are some skincare things and there's also some makeup things. I'm actually wearing a couple of the makeup things now, so I can explain a little bit more about that. But the Sephora Favorites Pop is $15. Their Hello is $10. Like I said, I'm gonna ask some questions and wonder why they came out with it. But they came out with, like I said, some stuff, which is Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. They have Milk Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick, Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Moisturizer, Peace Out, AHA, BHA, PHA, Brightening Peel Pads, and they also came out with Dermalogica Hydro Mask Exfoliant. So I have notes here, that's why I'm looking down all the time. So excuse me for doing that. It says that these were like the high trend, really fascinating, like the stuff that's their best sellers and really good items from their store. So that's why they compiled it and put it in this box. I actually went through each of them, so I'm just gonna do a quick review for each and give you like how many reviews were given, the stars, and just a quick overview of what each item was. So for the Rare Beauty one that recently came out with Selena Gomez line, like I said, it's all new. I actually tested out something else from that line in another video, which I will post down here. It's their eyeshadow palettes that they came out. I only got one of them, so one of them I tested out and I'll put in the link below. But their illuminating primer is water-based, cools on contact, and ultra-fine pearls for an instant radiance. I actually am wearing it right now, and I can tell you, for me and my experience, I didn't really feel any cool contact in that case. I did notice there's an instant radiance. However, for someone who has oily skin, I don't really gravitate toward those kind of things, mostly because it makes me look like I'm oily, and I don't get that. So I tend to steer away from those kind of things. Anyway, this product itself has almost 200 reviews, and it has a little over 4 stars. So it definitely has a lot of reviews, that kind of stuff. So I can see why they would put it in this box, and just trying it out, it definitely gave a lot of glitter and glow to your skin for sure. The other thing that I'm actually wearing right now is the lipstick. It's Milk Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rebound, I believe. Max pigmentation, non-drying comfort, long wearing, and more than 20 shades that I saw on the site. I think there's even like more than 30, maybe 31. I'm not exactly sure, but there's a wide range of colors. This in itself has over 60 reviews and only 4 stars. I should mention that the stars and reviews I'm looking at, these are all based from the Sephora website. I'm not really looking anywhere else, just the site itself. The comfort is for sure. Definitely a lot of pigmentation. I didn't have to do 2 or 3 swipes on my lips, and so far I feel like my lips aren't dry, which is really good because I tend to have issues with my lips drying so quickly, so much. That's just how my lips are, and I wish I didn't do that. The third thing that they have on here in this box is the Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Moisturizer. The skin type for this specific one is normal and dry. It's a really rich cream. It's quick absorbing and contains hyaluronic acid. This also has 1,000 reviews and it has a little over 4 stars. Really quick, even just testing it out on just the back of my hand, I could tell that the formulation is very rich for sure. Someone who has oily skin may not gravitate toward this. I myself am not really like wanting to put it on my skin. I probably will, but trying it out for itself, I wasn't that thrilled about it because it's so thick and rich. The fourth thing is in here is the Peace Out Brightening Peel Pads and those AHA, BHA, PHA ingredients that are in it. In this box specifically, you get 2 of them. So that's really nice. You get to try it out twice and get a feel for yourself as to what you think of this brand itself. It says to be used only once a week, so you don't want to go more than that because of these ingredients, and I understand that. These are very strong ingredients and you don't want to use that on your skin. It will tend to irritate it or dry out, break out, possibly in a rash, whatnot. So you don't want to do that to your skin. Be nice to it. It's all skin types. It can be used for all skin types, and there's plankton in it. And the first thing I thought of when I saw plankton is like, oh my goodness, they killed the little guy in SpongeBob. But no, I just figured it was just really strange that they have plankton in there. So I actually looked it up to see why that is the case. And it is a natural antibacterial to help deal with those blemishes, and it's a natural moisturizer. So it's from the sea. It's going to be really nice to your skin. I thought that was really cool. In the Sephora website, it has almost 700 reviews and a little over 4 stars. It's definitely up there for sure. The last thing in this box is their Dermalogica Hydro Mask Exfoliant. It's a 2-in-1 hydrate and exfoliate mask. It works for all skin types. It says that it's a rich mask, and it does have a scent. It's a very, very minor, less than 1%. It says it almost smells like a bit like cucumber. I don't know exactly what the smell is, but it's there, and it's supposed to give a visible, glassy complexion. The mask itself, for me, it didn't feel that rich for sure. It felt more of like, I don't know, more of a moisturizer in a sense, but I could tell that it definitely hydrated the skin for sure. This has 130 reviews and it has 4.5 stars. So for sure, there is a lot of reviews for these kind of items here. I thought that, these were really interesting to try. I'm loving this liquid lipstick very much. For me, I felt like I didn't quite understand why they came out with this box. They have Sephora Hello. This is Sephora Pop. These were definitely very highly reviewed items for sure. I don't get, however, why this came out if, the Sephora Hello came with like a 15% coupon for a full-size item, and this didn't even come with anything at all. I figured maybe a 10% or 15 or 20 or something, but it kind of felt like it's the same thing just with different stuff. I don't know. The thing itself is it's really cool. It's a nice packaging. I guess Sephora, tell me why that is the case that you came out with this. I don't know. It's definitely interesting, that's for sure. It's not a bad packaging. I mean, you do get to try it out, these items quite a bit, which I do appreciate. I have not tried the Sephora Hello, mostly because I'm assuming these are more of a sample size type items, whereas these ones seem to be more of a deluxe sample, so you get to try it from more than one time. Maybe there's more to it that we don't know, or what they're trying to come out with. I feel like there's something else that could be coming out of this pop that could make it a lot more attractive in a sense, but that's just me. These are my opinions, of course. If you've tried them out, let me know. Put them in the comments below. Tell me what you think about this. If you agree that Sephora came out with this pop and just with the items that are in it, have you tried them yourself? Tell me what you think, and just put in the comments below for sure. Let me know. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you a little more information about this new item that Sephora came out with. I know right now during the holidays are coming up, and they're coming out with holiday gifts. I love looking forward to all that they come out with, and I wish I could just get them all and try it myself, but I know that's not the case. So maybe this is something along those lines that they're trying to test out. I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're doing well. And it's starting to get a little warmer over here, so I'm getting a little more excited. I can start wearing some more flannel items, flannel shirts. I love them. I'm just waiting for the weather to cool down. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day, a great week, great weekend. Please be safe. I love you. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.